The power of recognition is not just about applause, it's about acknowledging your unique value. This acknowledgement fuels your motivation, boosts your self-esteem, and propels you to even greater heights. So how do you harness this transformative power? Let's dive in. Spotlight effect, take the initiative. Recognition isn't handed out, it's earned. Be proactive in taking on challenges that stretch your abilities and put you in the spotlight. When you excel in these tasks, you don't just show off, you show up, and people take notice. Ripple effect, inspire others. Your recognition motivates others, creating a ripple effect. It fosters a culture of excellence, inspiring everyone to give their best. So don't shy away from the spotlight, your shine can light up the whole room. Self-recognition, internal confidence. While external recognition is great, self-recognition is equally powerful. Celebrate your small wins to build an internal reservoir of confidence. When you believe in yourself, you radiate a magnetic sense of self-assuredness. Double-edged sword, balance is key. Be cautious, the desire for recognition can become a relentless pursuit for external validation. Strive for recognition but maintain a balanced perspective. Your worth isn't solely defined by external accolades. Recognition, resilience, connection, emotional armor. Being recognized equips you with the emotional resilience to face future challenges. You become more resilient because you understand your worth and know that your contributions are valued. Peer recognition, team cohesion. Don't underestimate the power of a simple well done from a colleague. Peer recognition boosts morale and strengthens team cohesion, making it an immediate and authentic form of acknowledgement. Catalyst for growth, never settle. Use recognition as a catalyst for growth. It's a sign that you're on the right path, but there's always more to achieve. Set new goals, seek new challenges, and continue to strive for excellence. In conclusion, recognition is not just a reward, it's a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. It creates a cycle of positivity that benefits not just you, but everyone around you. So go ahead, rise and shine, and let the power of recognition propel you to unimaginable heights. Your future self will thank you.